I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Wednesday, November 19th. Soybeans were lower, seeing another round of buy the rumor, sell the fact type trade, taking profits. USDA did announce the sale of 330,000 tons of U.S. soybeans to China ahead of Wednesday's open. That brings the two-day total to more than 1.1 million tons. We are still falling quite a bit short of Beijing's pledged purchase agreement numbers. Soybeans are also watching planting and development weather in South America, which looks generally favorable for now. Corn was down, also seeing some profit taking and technical weakness as it watches the very tail end of the U.S. harvest and the generally favorable planting weather in South America. U.S. ethanol production and stocks are both up on the week, down on the year. Ethanol exports were below a week ago, but above a year ago. And wheat closed lower as well. There is at least some precipitation in the forecast for parts of the U.S. winter wheat growing region. That should help to improve conditions as the crop continues to approach dormancy. Live and feeder cattle were down sharply, watching direct cash cattle business develop at lower prices while waiting for Friday's USDA cattle on feed numbers. Trade during the session was light, mostly at $3.45 on the dress basis, $6 lower than last week's weighted average in Nebraska. The major feeding areas in the South continue to be quiet. Hogs did close higher, finally seeing an oversold bounce, but pork was lower at midday, and there are some questions about whether or not China is going to be showing up in Thursday's weekly export sales numbers. With the closing market minute for Wednesday, November 19th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.